Hello everyone, we're back again. So today, right now, I'm going to show you how to use the Paragon popcorn machine. So before you even make the popcorn, the first thing you need to do is turn on the light and the kettle switch so the machine can preheat, because it can take a while. And after you do that, what you're going to do is get your mix, and it comes with kernels and butter. And you're gonna need some scissors to cut it open. So I already have it preheated. So now what I'm gonna do is pour all three mixes together at the same time. Oh, is that a dry one? And you want to make sure you get it all in there. So now that that's cooking, you take this latch then you close the machine. And what I'm going to use while the popcorn is popping to scoop the popcorn out is my scooper. And I also have popcorn bags when I'm done. So remember to make sure you let the machine preheat. And caution, it is hot, so you need to be careful because the machine does get very hot. So while that's cooking, that smells good. And it may take a little while, so you gotta have patience once again, but it's gonna be worth the wait. And I already made some popcorn and tested it out, and it was good. And this scooper right here is for in case the popcorn, get everywhere. This kind of protects and it helps it stay in. It might get a little messy, but so this is the latch that I use to pull it down, and when you pull it down, you pull it to the right. Ooh, that smells so good. I wish y'all could smell it. So this machine is for rent, just like the cotton candy machine. And with this machine, what's included is you'll get some popcorn bags. It'll come with the scooper. And you'll also get 50 servings of the popcorn mix. So not only will you get the machine, but you'll get some bags and the scooper. And remember, the machine gets hot, so you need to be careful. So when the popcorn is done popping, I'll lift up the latch and turn it to the right and then it'll just fall down at the bottom of the machine. And this again is the latch to keep the popcorn inside so it won't get messy. Make sure you add all your mix. Remember, the machine is hot, so when lifting up the latch, be careful. You lift it up like that and you snag it to the right. And then you close the lid back. And we got popcorn, y'all. So while this popping, I'm gonna make a bag so you can see how you do it and how you use the scooper. And if you want, you can put the top back on so you snag it to the right and it'll drop down. Keep this lid, keep this container closed because it might pop out everywhere. So once you're done making the popcorn, what you do is the pop switch, you cut it off. And now I can make a bag. So I got my bag right here, my popcorn bag. And then you can take this lid, pour it down to help you access the popcorn better. I got my scooper, and I'm just going to scoop up some popcorn. Put it in the bag. Fill it up to the top. Y'all see that? Don't it look good? Nice and buttery. I know I'm making a mess, but I'm gonna eat it. Do my demonstration. That's good. I was about to start smacking. That's how good it is. Bye, y'all.